Here's a look into our pro Photoshop tutorial, Film Noir. One of the greatest things you can do to draw attention to your images is to create a series of photos that all come together to create the same story. Now, series are great, but they bring up a couple more challenges, and one of those challenges is coloring each of the individual elements so they come together and look cohesive when they're combined together. This pro Photoshop tutorial is all about coloring and adding style to your images so they do come together as a series, and when a person looks at completely separate images that were taken in different locations at different times, they think, okay, these images somehow go together. This pro Photoshop tutorial features exclusive techniques for coloring highlights and shadows separately, as well as comparing them from one image to another. We also show you how to get rid of distractions in your images, as well as clean up those images to draw attention right onto your subject. For anyone looking to understand color better and making your images stand out without too much Photoshop, this pro tutorial is perfect. Join us as we cover two completely different images, covering them from start to finish. The tutorial is over an hour and 40 minutes long, teaching you everything you need to know about coloring and creating a series of images in Photoshop.